Hi, welcome to our channel. Before we start, please hit the subscribed button down below. Thank you. If you've ever experienced your entire vehicle vibrating when you apply the brakes, you know it can be a cause for concern. Today, we're going to explore a common reason behind this unsettling phenomenon: a misalignment between the rear brake shoes and drums. When your vehicle shakes and shudders during braking, it often points to a problem with the rear brakes. Specifically, we're talking about a misalignment between the rear brake shoes and drums. What's happening here is that the rear brake shoes and drums aren't making even contact when you apply the brakes. This misalignment leads to vibrations. The primary culprit for this misalignment is typically warped rear brake drums. However, it's also possible that the drums themselves are fine, but the rear wheel bearings are worn or loose. Such issues indirectly contribute to the misalignment between the brake shoes and drums. Now, let's discuss how to address this problem effectively. If you've noticed your entire vehicle vibrating while braking, it's crucial to take your vehicle to a reputable garage for a thorough inspection. We highly recommend seeking assistance from AAA-approved garages, known for their reliability. The first step is to have the mechanic check the rear wheel bearings for wear or looseness. If the bearings are found to be in good condition, we move on to the next step. If the rear wheel bearings are not the issue, it's likely that the rear brake drums have become warped. In this case, the mechanic will need to machine the rear brake drums to correct their warpage. It's important to note that after the drums are corrected, the existing rear brake shoes may not align well with the newly machined drums. As a result, it's advisable to replace the rear brake shoes to ensure proper alignment and braking performance. In conclusion, when your entire vehicle vibrates while applying the brakes, it's a clear sign that something's amiss with your rear brakes. Misalignment between the rear brake shoes and drums is a common culprit, often stemming from warped rear brake drums or worn or loose rear wheel bearings. To remedy this issue, consult a qualified mechanic who can inspect, diagnose, and perform the necessary repairs, restoring your vehicle's smooth and safe braking performance. Your safety on the road is paramount, and addressing these concerns promptly ensures a smoother ride for both you and your vehicle. Thank you for watching. Please support us by subscribing and liking this video.